Hello, this will be a quick video as it's very straightforward to answer. Yes, we can replace a single AlloyGator. Something to bear in mind is it's a little more expensive for a single AlloyGator to be fitted, as we have to order a single gator, otherwise it would mean that we couldn't fit a complete set to another vehicle if we'd taken one out of there. Also, there's slight more labour involved, as the old AlloyGator needs to be removed and they're designed not to be removed easily, so it takes a little more time and experience. But if you've scuffed just one or two of your Gators, then they can be replaced individually and you don't have to buy a complete set of four. There you go, told you it'd be quick. So the next video will be involved in discussing whether tyres can be removed and replaced with AlloyGators fitted to the wheels. So until that one, bye for now.